ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूप ज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ यश्चन्दसा मृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोऽव्योऽद्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ मेधादेवी जुषमाना न आगात् विश्वाचे भद्रा सुमनस्यमाना त्वया जुष्टानुदमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहत्वदेम विदथे सुवीराः। त्वया जुष्टऋषिर्भवति देवि त्वया ब्रह्मागतः श्रीरुतत्वया त्वया जुष्टश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्वद्रविणो न मेधे। मेधामगिन्द्रो ददातु मेधां देवी सरस्वती। मे अश्विनावुभावा धत्तां पुष्करस्रजा अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः। दैवीं मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधासुरभिर्जुषताम् आमां मेधासुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति जगम्या। ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमानां सा मां मेधासु प्रतीकाजुषन्तां। मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयेन्द्र इन्द्रियं दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो भ्राजो दधातु। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We'll chant Ashtadhyayi. Mukhanasika vachanonunasikah vibhaktischa adarshanam lopaha upadeshe ach anunasikah it alantyam na vibhakto tusmaha आदिर्ङिटुडवः षः प्रत्ययस्य चुटु न लशक्वतद्धिते तस्य लोपः यथासंख्यम् अनुदेशः समानाम् ऊकालः अच् रस्व दीर्घ प्लुतः अचश्च उच्चैरुदातः नीचैरनुदातः समाहारस्वरितः ह्रस्वं लघु हलोऽनन्तरासंयोगः संयोगे गुरु दीर्घं च then अलोन्त्यात् पूर्वः उपदा लस्य तिप्तस्जि सिप्तस्त मिप्पस्मस् त आतां ज तास् आतां द्वम् इट् वहि महिङ् लः परस्मैपदं तङानौ आत्मनेपदं तिङः त्रीणि त्रीणि प्रथम मध्यम उत्तमाः तानि एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचनानि एकशः अर्थवत् अधातुः अप्रत्ययः प्रातिपदिकम् कृत्तदितसमासाश्च ङीया प्रातिपदिकात् सु औजस् औक्षस् टाभ्यां बिस् ङेभ्यां ब्यस् ङसिभ्यां ब्यस् ङस् ओस् आम् ङि ओस् सुप् सुपः then विरामः अवसानं सुप्तिङन्तं पदं शशोघोषी शी सर्वनामस्थानं सुडनपुंसकस्य सुप्तिङन्तं पदं सु आदिषु असर्वनामस्थाने यचिभं then तुल्यास्य प्रयत्नं सवर्णं ऋलोः मितसावर्ण्यं वाच्यं वार्तिका ऋलोः ओके ऋलुवर्णयोः मितसावर्ण्यं वाच्यं मितसावर्ण्यं वाच्यं ओके ऋलुवर्णयोः मितः सावर्ण्यं वाच्यं नाज्जलौ then अनुदित सवर्णस्य च अप्रत्ययः तपरः तत्कालस्य षष्ठीस्थाने योगा तस्मिन् इति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य तस्मादिति उत्तरस्य उरन्रपरः परसन्निकर्षः संहिता right संहितायां 6172 we are entering into vidhi sutra sandhi vidhi so far only sanya and paribhasha now getting into 6172 adhikara you can write samhitayam yes this is vidhi sandhi sanya introduce parasannika samhita then samhitayam then we will see all these sandhi vidhi ach sandhi al sandhi visarga sandhi okay I'll explain something okay now tulyasya prayatnam stavarnam is it clear yes only 6 new words you need to know samvara vivara nada gosha and all a big thing and antara prayatnam bhagya prayatnam for savarnam what is the condition what are the things should be similar asyam and antara prayatnam okay Now, you know it. Sthani will be in what vibhakti? Shashti. Adesha. And sthani will be indicated either by that which is in Panchami. If it is Panchami, where the sthani will be? Before. Parasya. Parasya. If it is Saptami, sthani will be? Before Pare. Parasya Pare, remember that. Example I give. Ikaha sthane yanadeshaha. Kada? Achi Pare. See, for you, the Pare is Malini. Panchami is Anchoka. Anchoha, Anchokasya, Parasya. Yeah, that's how it is. If I see like this, okay. Parasya, Pare. Malini Pare, Mariyaha, Adesha Bhavati. What will be? I'm just saying, okay. Huh? Malini is Saptami. Yes, that's what it is. She is the Adesh, it is Sthani, right? Clear? So, Jayaha Parasya, Hakarasya Sthane, Puro Savarnaha Adesha. Remember the example. Ikaha Sthane, Achipare, Yana Adesha, Saptami. Okay. Anyway, now we are going to see a different topic. Okay. What is this? Kavarga, right? What do I want? What is this? Ku, Kavarga. But remember, this is always with Ku. What is that? Ku. The content is Kakara plus nasalized Ku. This is it. Yes or no? By what sutra? Upadeshe Ach 132. I have to tell this number 132. It Prakaranam is in 13. Okay. Anyway, so representation is content is Kakara, not mean doesn't mean only Kakara is there. It means what? All the letters of that class. That's what we learned in the 108. In the beginning itself, I taught this. Ku, chu, tu, tu, pu. Remember? So, this O is ith letter. So, when you say Ku means the Kakara means it stands for all the letters of that particular class. Right? Ku. My focus is on this O. So, we can call this as where Ut is what? Yes. What is that? Ut is it. Ut is it, right? Ut. What is Ut? Only the letter Rasva Ukara. That is what is here, right? Ut. Ut is it letter. So, Ut, it. That in which the letter Ut, the letter U is it, is called Bhagavriga Samasa, is called just this is 1, 2 padam, 2 words we are adding. What will happen? Just only so? You get? Oh, this is Ud, then plus it. What do you get? Udit, right? This is not new, already we have seen. The dhatu which has got, when does it get Numakamaya dhatu? When? Idit dhatu, remember? Like this, dhastu, kapi dhatu, okay? This E is it. E, the letter E. The letter E is it. It plus it. What will happen? Takara Jasha Sandhi id. Id plus it. You get? Idit. Idit dhatoho. Num. That's sutra. So idit dhatu. This is a idit dhatu. Therefore, this will get numagama. We have seen. Okay. So you understand ut, it, idit. Okay. So when I say idit, udit, understand what it is clearly. Right? When I say idit, ikara is it. When I say udit, ukara is it. Which one? Which one? Why?
I don't know. I am connecting with the dhatu.
Nothing to do with the dhatu or pratipadikam. It's just a property is saying that. That's all. Not to dhatu. Applicable to dhatu, applicable to pratipadikam, applicable to anything. Just saying what it is. That's it. Udit. Sorry? Loud? Dhatu. Numagama. Yeah, that is for dhatu. That is the context. In the context, idit is required for numagama to. Yeah, for numagama, idit that is required. That property is required. Right? Idit is a property. It has idit. It means it has got e as ith letter. Therefore, numagama can come. That is what the idea is. So, idit, udit. Suppose if I say ugit. What is ugit? Guess. You have to separate and understand what it has got. Huh? Yeah. You said uk. Yes. Uk and it. See, when I say udit, udit is a samasa. Bhugurvi samasa. Udit means that in which ukara is it. Idit is that in which ikara is it. Ut it yasya saha vigraha. It yasya saha idit. Uk it yasya saha, that will be ugit. What is uk now? Yeah. Ur l, right? What is uk? Pratyahara. So here you can see a letter we are saying, but here we are taking a pratyahara. Understand? Please listen. Write later. Understand? Yes. Many things I have told before, given the base actually. Yeah. See, we can make a ith letter, only one letter as ith letter and say that as a property to something. We can take a pratyahara also possible, we can say like that. Example for pratyahara. All this we should be familiar, then so that I can use it. This is ut, this is ugit and all. Okay. Now, uk, the letter ur l is it in which. Can you give an example for uk, which is it? You know it. Give me example for some pratyaya. How many pratyayas? You know, you don't know 1500 pratyayas, okay? You know only few pratyayas. I'm saying pratyayas, okay? Tell me any pratyayas where. Come on. Where is uk is it? Huh? The immediate thing you should come to your mind is Shatru. Yes or no? Right? Shatru. Then Tavatu. Yes, right? All these are example for ugit. Shatru, r is it. R is part of uk. Tavatu, u is it. Part of ugit. Right? There is a sutra. It is out of context what I am going to say. Ugitaha, ugit. When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, takes numagama. Listen carefully. Ugit means referring to that in which uk is it. When that is followed by Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, it will take numagama. That's sutra. Ugitacham Sarvanamasthane num. And here Shatranta, all are ugit. when Sarvanamastana Pratyas, what will happen in Pullinga? Nummagama comes. That is why it comes. Sutra is there. Ugit acham Sarvanamastane. When Ugit anta followed by Sarvanamastana Pratyaya gets Nummagama. This is how the Panini Maharishi uses the word. This giving a it sanya, giving a it letter and referring to by that's namings. Clear? Okay. So Ugit. Anyway, Ugit is not required for this sutra, what we are going to see. But understand Ugit. So Ugit examples, Shatra, Tavatu, all these are Ugit examples. Clear? Now Ut. Can you give another example where U is it? Chu, tu, tu, pu. Come on. Not a big thing. Chu. Then tu. All. Tu and pu. Right? All these can be called Udit. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, this is one part. We'll come to this later. Now let us take this sandhi. Ik, when followed by ach, what is the adesha? N adesha, right? What are the ik letters? E, U, R and L. But E means E possible and E Pluta, then E Udata, E Anudata, right? So you can bring all the letters. How many? 18. Similarly, U can bring all the 18. R can bring 30. And R can bring 30, right? Now, Ik. And N is the Adesha. What are the N letters? Yakara, Repa and Lakara. Yakara means what are its Sarnas? Huh? Nasalized Yakara, remember that. Yeah. And Vakara is nasalized Vakara. Repa is very good. Lakara is La. It has got only one Savarna. Okay. Now, listen. You have to pay attention here. Careful. My last question you have to answer. Simple example I am giving. Yadi plus api. What is the answer? Yadi plus api. What happens here? What happens? E followed by Ik is followed by Ach. Therefore, it is replaced. E is replaced by, that is, Ik is replaced by Yakara. Now, what is the answer? Vani plus Api. Huh? So what will happen? Same. Yes or no? Because short E is here, long E is here, everything is covered. So when it followed by Ach, right? Ach could be A, or it suppose if it is Adi, Yadi plus Adi, Sandhi, same Sandhi rule. Similarly here, Vani plus Adi, same. The same we are applying, right, Enchandi? So this E example here can bring it Savarna. Yes or no? Similarly, the following A can bring it Savarna. But what happens? Ik is replaced by N. Which one you will replace it now? Which one you will replace? Two are there. Which one? See, only one chair is there, two persons are there now. Not allowed. Right?
Maybe the second case will be the nasalized because Nakara is there.
Oh, really? Oh, what's the logic in that? But the form is Vani plus Api is Van Yapi, only the form. We want only Van Yapi. We cannot bring in the nasalized as Adesha, right? Because form we know. Yadi plus Api, Yadyapi. Yadi plus Adi, Yadyadi. Vani plus Api, Vanyapi. Vani plus Adi, Vanyadi, the form. That is the form is, right? Mm-hmm. No. Simple. See, yeah. Want to say something? So we need to say, now here we have to say, by saying ik, we are covering all the possibilities. You can bring it Savarnas. And similarly, the following, the thing, ach, it can bring it Savarna. But for Adesha, we cannot allow it Savarna. Only one chair is that the person can sit. He cannot bring its whole family. Right? His mother, father, and his bacha, grandchildren, everybody cannot come and sit. If a person has won the lottery, a prize, only person who has won the prize only will come. Not the whole family will come to the stage, right? So there is no space, space constraint. Therefore, we have to say, it should not bring it Savarna. It should not bring it Savarna. Otherwise, problem. This also will come and sit. This also will come and sit. And two are there. That's what the next sutra is. So it cannot bring it Savarna. We are talking about Savarna. For Sthani, we talked about Savarna and the following Ach. But when it comes to Adesha, no Savarna. That is what next sutra is. Anudit Savarnasya cha apratyaha. Apratyaya means pratyaya means Adesha. Excepting the Adesha, other thing can bring it Savarna. That is what the next sutra is. Listen, not yet go over. Anudit Savarnasya cha apratyaha. Na pratyaha, nanj, right? Pratyaya means, you understand, it is what is ordained, that is called pratyaya. Not pratyaya means suffix here. Don't think pratyaya meaning suffix. What you add to the dhatu pradipadikam, that is not the meaning here. In the sutra, anudit savarnasya cha pratyaha, pratyaya doesn't mean that. Pratiyate vidiyate iti pratyaha. That which is ordained is called pratyaya. It means referring to Adesha. So you have to note, in this very sutra, pratyaya is equal to Adesha. Apratyaya means Anadesha, should not be Adesha, excepting Adesha. Excepting Adesha, and Udit can bring it Savarna. Excepting Adesha means what are there? Shasthani is there, and Panchami, possible if it is Panchami is there or Saptami is there. It can bring it Savarna, but not the Adesha. Is it clear? So, now, Anudit Savarnasya, an, what is an? The sutra an is there, and Udit is there. Udit part already we have explained. Done? Udit part already explained. Okay. So, an means an is, what is the an here? Here an means which one? Ayun? No. In this sutra, the an stands for the longer an, up to lan. Only in this sutra, an stands for the longer an. So, for the longer an and for the udit, okay, it cannot bring its savarna. In fact, we will talk about more on this tomorrow. So, for the longer an and udit, it can bring its savarna excepting the adesha. Why? The logic I explained here. The logic I explained here. When I say ik means ik can bring its savarna, that is why all the possibilities are covered. And adesha, when it comes to adesha, two things cannot come there. Therefore, limiting the adesha only to what it is mentioned. It cannot bring its savarna. That is what the apratyaya says. How beautifully logically Mani Maharshi thinks, you see. Right? An udit. If I will give more examples, become very clear. Some practical examples. Right? That is what the next sutra is. Now, just introduction to the sutra what we are going to see. Here, see, yakara or here in the case of this is yan sandhi, right? If you take some other, okay, let us say guna sandhi, guna. What happens in the guna? When avarna is followed by ik, both are replaced by guna letter. Suppose the adesha is a is the adesha, right? A, how many savarna it has got? 1, A, 18. 18 savarna forms are there. Which one you will replace now? A, sorry, 12, not 18, 12, A, right? So, which one you will bring it? So, we have to restrict that. Guna is the adesha, means guna cannot bring it savarna because adesha. Clear? That is what the sutra does. Apratyaya means anadesha. Except in the adesha, sthani and that which is in Panchami Saptami can bring it savarna. So, when you saying like that, you are accommodating all the possibilities, whether E plus A, E plus A or E plus A, E plus A, all the possibilities. I am saying just only Yasva Dirgha. You can think about the Udata, Anudata, Swarita, Anunasika, Nasika. How many possibilities will be there? So many possibilities. Even suppose if Anunasika is there, Adesha will be only Yavarala only. Okay? Because that is the Adesha. It cannot bring it Savarna. That is what this sutra does. Okay, it's an important sutra. Yes. After not Jalau. I will give you tomorrow. We will see. Just to understand this, I will give, I will send you one by one slowly now. This is a Gragaka Sutra. Gragaka Sutra. Gragaka means it brings. It's called Gragaka. Okay. See, Udit, I'll tell you later. Udit part already, what is Udit I told. Okay, I will tell an example, some practical example, more examples, we will see tomorrow. Okay, note one thing, in this sutra, apratyaya is not adesha. Pratyaya means adesha, na pratyaya, apratyaya, anadesha, excepting the adesha. Second thing is, an is the longer an. Only in this sutra, the longer an is referred to. No other sutra, the longer an is referred to. Everywhere it will be short an only. In this sutra only, an means the longer an. Clear? Yes? Okay. So, now we will do the infant reader. Any doubt in the sutra? You have any? By which sutra?
By which sutra, by what we are saying that apratyaya here is
Pratiyate vidiyate, I gave the vyutpatti. Pratiyate vidiyate iti. What is the number? That which is ordained is called pratyaya. That's why I translated that pratyaya to as adesha. In our context, it is to be taken as adesha. Pratyaya is equal to adesha. So you have to see the vyutpatti of the word pratyaya in this context. Here it means that which is ordained. What is ordained is called adesha, not the suffix here. Okay. So apratyaha. Right? Okay, we'll talk about this. This much, this small introduction to this. We will see. This is an important sutra. A lot of discussion is there on that. So I have to no somewhere I have to cut it. Stop. So many things are there in this. You have to see the what do you call the depth of this sutra. Amazing. We all take for things for granted. This is how it is because we know. Ensandi we know. But suppose like a computer doesn't know. Whatever instructions it give, it follows. You have to give instructions like this, then only it will execute the program. That is how Pranay Maharishi had thought about this. Amazing. Anyway. Yeah? Because already I have given you the background, we have done Sandhi, and so we know this is how it is. But nobody asked if the Sthani can bring it Savarna, why not Adesha? Adesha can bring, Adesha also Savarna should be brought, why not? Right? Yes or no? Why are not bringing a Savarna to Adesha? When ik means, how many letters ik? 18 plus 18 plus 30 plus 30. So 60 plus 30 is 96 are there ik letters. All are covered ik by saying ik. And when followed by ach, Astavarna ach. How many ach are there? 13. 13 minus 1 because it should not bring its own. If E is a E, it should not come. If it comes Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. If O is a O, should not come. So 12. So 12 means how many possibilities are within the 12? If A means 18, E means 18, O is 18, Ru 30, and Ru 30, Lu 30, then A 12. All those possibilities can come for each. If it comes, then always Ya is the Adesha. Always, if U is there, Va is the Vakara is the Adesha. If Ru is there, Repa is the Adesha. Why are bringing only the 4 Adesha? Why do I to bring the Savarna? For that we need a sutra. That is what the sutra is. Clear? Okay. I think you will appreciate now what is the in-depth in this. Okay. Okay. Now let us do the infant reader. Suddenly our Kundalini rises to Mooladhara, then comes back to Mooladhara. Yes. See, you have to, what do you call, experience it. Anubhava is required to appreciate this. And Anubhava means it's all, what do you call, intellectual Anubhava experience. Okay, Ananda. Then only you will appreciate and enjoy that. Yes. Okay, next paragraph. Which one we have to read? You read, no? Tatra yagarha nasit. Yeah, next sentence you read. Anchokaji. Yes. The Kriya Padam is Ahasat. What lakara? Lang lakara. Hahasat. Hahasat, Hahasatam, Agasanna. Kaha Hahasat? Balaha. Can you give a Kridanta form for Hahasat? Kridanta. Kridanta form for Hahasat. He laughed. That's what it means. Instead of, you will say, instead of lung, I want you to use the some Namapadam. Subanta. Subanta means Kridanta. Okay. No, no, not lakara. No lakaras. I'm not. So, asan is shatranta. Shatranta not required. You cannot use shatranta here, right? Laughing, it does what? Okay, Saha Balaha Hasan Asti, Hasan Asit, you can say. Yes? Hasan Asit. I don't want that. I don't want Shatranta. What do you use then? What I want? I want Tak Tavatu to be used, okay? Simple. Ta Tavatu, past participle. Past participles. Balaha Hasitaha. Because it is akarmaka dhatu. Akarmaka dhatu. So, balaha hasitavan you can say. Hasitavan tavatu pratyaya. Right? Balaha hasitavan. Huh? You can use hasitaha. Balaha hasitaha. See, Anchagaji, when you can use Shatranta when there are two actions or simultaneous action are happening. Hasan you can say, Hasan Asit you have to say. Balaha Hasan Asit. Here Hasan is qualifying Balaha. Now, Asit also not required, Kriya Padam. You can use participle. Hasitaha, Balaha, Asitaha, Asitavan. Clear? Yes. See, Kradantas are simple. In Bhashyam, you will see Bhashyakara using Kradantas. Whenever Lakara is there, you will see, he will be using Kradantas. Okay, continue. Kaha Agasata Balaha. And one more is there, pronoun is there, Saha. Right? Visraga is gone. Samagatan. You have seen the word Samagatan somewhere. Samagatan, Samaveta, all same. Samaveta, where is there? Huh? Where? Okay. Yes. Samagatan, Samavetan, all means same. I have come here. Samyak Agatan. Sam plus Agata. What is the pratyaya? What is the pratyaya? Agatan. What's the pratyaya? Ta pratyaya. Sam upasarga, a upasarga, gam dhatu, tha pratyaya, samagata. Samagataha, samagatau, samagataha. Samagatam, samagatau, samagatan. Tan samagatan. Samyak agatan. Who came? They who came. Why it is Dvitiya Vibhakti? Because Balaha. Therefore Dvitiya Vibhakti. What's the logic? Oh, really? People who are gathering will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Then why in Dharmakshetra Kurukshetra they are not in Dvitiya Vibhakti? No, one more word is there. Tell me the word. One more word is there because of the Dvitiya Vibhakti. What is the word? My question is, yeah. Vikshya is what? Having seen. Lepratya. For seeing the karma is. See, when I say karma is, it's karma for only kriya. So kriya is there. Ikshana kriya is there. V plus V upasarga plus Iksh plus Tva pratyaya. Tva will be replaced by Lep. You get Vikshya. Having seen what? Having seen the people who came there. That's why it is Dvitiya Bhakti. So when I ask you why it is Dvitiya Bhakti, it means you have to see the Kriya. What is the Kriya there? Kriya means doesn't mean only Kriya, not only the Kriya Padam. It could be a Kridanta also, right? All these are Kridantas. Kridantas have the Kriya built in it. In fact, that is the basic, right? Basic element is Dhatu. From that only we build the Kridanta forms. So we have to see the Kridanta, Vikshya. When you see the sentence, first you have to identify the Kriya. Initially I started Kriya means Kriya Padam, Kriya Padam, Kriya Padam. Agasat Kriya Padam. That is one. Step 1. Step 2 is you have to see other Kriya, which are not Kriya Padam, which will be Kridantas. Clear? So you have to see the Kriyas. Agasat, when you ask who laughed, why did he laugh, where does he laugh, you ask question, you get the Karaka. Who laughed? Boy. Then, who saw? The boy saw. Yes or no? Whom did he see? Those people who gathered. Therefore, it is in karma. Yes, Saha Balaha Tan Samagatan Vikshya Saha Balaha. Right? Having seen those people who came there, that boy. Okay. See, Balaha Agasat. Why he loved? Because Balaha Apashyat. Kan Apashyat. Tan Samagatan Apashyat. Therefore he loved. Vikshya means what? Apashyat. Kriya. Understand? You analyze a sentence like this. Then you have to bring the Karaka to the Kriya. Samagatan is Dvitiya Bhakti Ekavachana. Karma. Karma for the Darshana, Ikshana Kriya. So Vikshya is Kriya. That you first have to identify. Is it declinable? Indeclinable. Yep. Okay. See, okay. At this stage, we should not discuss too much on this. I have to just move on. Okay. Next person. Clear? Next person. Asatyavadi. Dirghasya rasvaha. Ataha a. Yes. Start with the Kriya Padam, okay? Start with the Kriya Padam. Vadantaha not Kriya Padam, Subanta Kriya. Agachan. Pratyagachan. Prati. It means return back. Prati Agachan. Went. Gacha means what? Went. Prati Gacha means went back. Not came back. Return back. Return back. Returned. Pratyagachan means returned. Okay. Huh? Already they have come, right? Now they returned. They are returning back. What is it? Why you say came? Prati upasarga is there. Agachan is there. Prati plus atagama plus gam dhatu. Prati, when you add, the meaning will be to gam dhatu. Return. That's the meaning. Return. If you add a, it means come. Come means to go. Agam means to come. Pratigam means return. Clear? Okay. Yes. Pratyagachan, they returned. Ke, te. Katam gachan. They went with. Rosha is angry. They angrily returned. Roshena. What vibhakti is that? Roshena. Huh? Tritiya. Okay.
I mean, if it's angry,
Yeah.
it should be declared.
Kind of?
If it's a
Adverb, that's what it is. Indeclinable. Roshena is Roshena only. Indeclinable. Adverbial usage. Indeclinable. Yes. They went angrily. In English we say, right? Returned angrily. Ly. That's called this. Yes. They returned angrily, saying something. What? K.
Kitavaha is this the rope.
Yeah.
I am this
Balakaha.
referring to the balaka,
Yes.
the boy. I think here doesn't say the truth. Asati.
Yes. He's a liar. This rogue is a liar. This rogue, this boy, the rogue boy is a liar. Okay.
So asatyavadi is one word for liar.
Huh?
Or we should break it.
What is that?
Asatyavadi
Hmm.
is a liar with one word.
Yes.
I mean we should not break it.
How can you break it? It's one word.
Okay, I'm just
Satyavadi, the speaker of the truth. Asatyavadi, speaker of non-truth. So it declined like Karin Shabda. Satyavadin. Satyavadi, Satyavadinav, Satyavadinaha. Clear? Like Nakarant. It's Nakaranta Shabda, this is. So we had Nini Pratyaya. Tatshilaha Tadbaha Sutra is Kridanta Nini Pratyaya. Nini. So becomes Satyavadi. Okay. His Swabhava, his Sheelam, his character, his habit is untruth. Asatyavadi. Okay. Asatyavadi is what vibhakti now? What?
this
How do you say it?
no, it's prathama.
That's it. Everything is Prathama. Ayam balakaha asatyavadi kitavaha. This. Huh? Sorry? Is qualifying balakaha. Every word is one only. Ayam kitavaha. This rogue. Asatyavadi balakaha. It's a liar boy. Liar. This boy is a liar. Iti vadantaha. Vadantaha is. Yes. Te goes along with the te. Clear? Huh? Okay. Adjective. Is an adjective. Asatyavadi. Huh? Yeah, you have to decline like balaka. Balaka is masculine. Therefore, Satyavadi now. Suppose if it is feminine, Nakarantaka Strilinga Shabda. Strilinga Shabda you have to suppose if Balika is there, right? Nakaranta Strilinga Shabda, how do you decline? Like what Shabda? Adjective and? Red one. What is I get you? No, I didn't get you. Again, I'm not able to hear properly because of fan sound also. I'm trying to hear because your voice is not very feeble and fan sound also is there. Uh-huh. Got it. Masculine. That's why it's called Visheshanam. Visheshanam declinable in all the genders. So Asatyavadi here masculine. Masculine 1-1. Why? Because Balakaha. And why? Because Ayam Balakaha. Ayam also is masculine. Suppose if it is feminine gender, let us say Iyam Balika, then how do you say it? Nakaranta Shabda. Nakaranta Strilinga, what Shabda? Nakarantaha Strilinga, any Shabda you know? Yes? Nakaranta Strilinga. Asatyavadini, I will say. You find out what Shabda is. Okay, homework. Valika. Adjective. Asatyavadi is adjective.
Isn't it not this boy is a liar?
Subjective complement. That's okay. Say it. Doesn't matter. Satyavadi balakaha. It's okay. Asatyavadi balakaha. Nadi Shabda. You don't have Nakaranta in this Strilinga. You see Nakaranta Shabda. You see the order. What Shabda is there? Halanta Strilinga Prakarnam. Okay. Halanta Strilinga Prakarnam. Nakaranta. Yes, see? Seaman. No, not that one. Seaman. Okay. Another one. Next one. Not Sharat. What's that? Huh? Rajan is not like that. Okay. Huh? Not like Ananta. It is like one minute. I told this before. Karanta. Karanta. Then in my book, pages are missing. Yes, please. Yes, Karin Shabda is. See, please see this. This is what I want to show you. Karin Shabda you take. Nakarantaha, Pullingaha, Karin Shabdaha. You see the footnote. Etad Vargiyaha Shabdaha Striyam. Striyam means what? In the Strilinga. Ikarantaha Rantaha Bhavanti. So Karin will become Karini. That's what I said. Satyavadini I said. But you have to add E, make it into Ikaranta and then Nadi Shabdavat. Gunini iti. That's a sutra. Rinnebhyaha Ngeep. Rinnebhyaha Ngeep. Okay. 4-1. You can check the sutra pata. 4-1. Just I'm saying, okay, this is not important. Your 4-1, 4 or 4-1-8 or something. Okay. 4-1-5. You see that? 4-1-5 sutra pata. Rinnebhyo Ngeep. What do you understand? Rinnebhyo Ngeep. Strilinga Pratyas. Rinnebhyaha Ngeep means what? Yes, that's right. Rinnebhyaha is Panchami. Bhyaha is a Panchami. Yes. Rinnebhyaha Ngeep Pratyaya Bhavati. What is Rinne? What are the words? Rinnebhyaha is there. Okay. Rinnebhyaha. Rit and. Okay. I'll show you. You have to split the Sandhi to understand this. 415. Sutra is? We are not saying that sutra. I am just telling you. You can see why it is that E is added. See here. Rit plus nakara. Rit plus nakara, what will happen? Tell me. Rit plus nakara. What Sandhi? Rit plus na. Just a Sandhi. After that? After that? Yes. Yes, very good. Yeah, Padantayar followed by Anunasika. What will happen? It's going to be replaced by Anunasika. Yes. So, what do you get? Rin plus na. That is what is there in the sutra. And Pancham is Byaha. You add Byaha. Rinnebhyaha. Ebhyaha. Okay. Huh? Why? Why? Change Dakara to Nakara? Yeah, it's optional. Okay. But here it's we are trying to find what is there. So there is no. Here we are just saying Rid Nakara is there. So Rin is there, Nakara is there. So it means Pratipadikam ending with R. What is R? R is Taparaha Tatkalasya. So what Pratipadikam you remember ending with R? What is that? Shatra. That is why Shatra, what we do, what pratyaya we add? Shatra pratyaya, convert into Srilinga. Patan, patantau, patantaha, Pullinga. Patanti, patantyau, we add E. How do you get? Because the Pratipadikam ending with R. See. Because the Pratipadikam ending with Patat. Patat plus E we are adding. The Neep is E. Clear? Why we add? Because Rit. Similarly, Na is Nakaranta. Nakaranta ending Shabda, to convert that into Srilinga, add E. Here what we are talking about, Karin. Karin plus E will become, Karin plus E becomes Kari Ni. First we have to add the pratyaya, then get the form. After that, Nadi Shabda. Okay, clear? So Satyavadi, that's why we started. Satyavadini Balika is said. So now you see the Shabda Manjuri. You see, Karini is there. Asti, that's a connection. 415. Just not the sutra. We are not saying the sutra. Okay, don't worry about the sutra. Just to understand, Rikaranta and Nakaranta Pratipadikam can be converted into Srilinga by adding the pratyaya Neep, whose content is E. Clear? Neep. You see the sutra 415. Neep. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.